Hey there, pet lovers. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. I recently got my hands on the Pet Marvel Automatic 2-in-1 Pet Feeder and Water Dispenser, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. In this review, we'll take a closer look at this innovative device and see how it can make your life as a pet owner much easier. So let's dive right in. The unboxing experience of the Pet Marvel was quite impressive. The packaging was sleek and professional, giving a glimpse of the high-quality product inside. Opening it up, I found all the necessary components neatly arranged. Along with the feeder and water dispenser, there were some accessories included to enhance the functionality. It was definitely a promising start. Now let's take a closer look at this Pet Marvel. The design and construction are top-notch with attention to detail evident in every aspect. The built-in camera and voice announcement function caught my attention immediately. I could check in on my furry friend from anywhere and even say hello to them. The multi-cat identification system was a nice touch, allowing me to keep track of each pet's behavior. One of the standout features is the automatic reversing design and three-proportion plate design, which prevent food from jamming. No more worries about messy situations or overfeeding. And speaking of feeding, the built-in weighing module accurately records my pet's diet and eating habits, ensuring precise and proportionate food discharging. It's a relief to know that my pet is getting the right amount of food every time. Moving on to the water dispenser, the intelligent water purification system is fantastic. The triple-filtered circulation system guarantees fresh and clean water for my pet around the clock. Unlike other fountains that require constant filtering, Pet Marvel's exclusive flushing function saves me time and hassle by flushing out dirty water into a separate sewage tank. Changing the water has never been easier. What's really impressive is that I can operate the core functions without using my phone. This makes it convenient for those times when I don't have my phone handy. Plus, the 3.5 liters stored grains barrel and 2.5 liters treated water tank provide up to 14 days of supplies for a one-cat family. Finally, I can spend less time constantly refilling food and water and more quality time with my feline friend. I've been using the Pet Marvel for a while now, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. The multi-cat facial recognition system and voice announcements have made monitoring my pets so much easier. It's comforting to know that even when I'm away, I can still keep an eye on them and interact with them through the voice feature. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, Pet Marvel has made a breeze. Each component from the food tray to the drinking tray can be easily disassembled, allowing for effortless cleaning. The 304 stainless steel construction is not only easy to clean, but also corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability. Pet Marvel really understands the importance of convenience in pet products. All in all, the Pet Marvel Automatic 2-in-1 Pet Feeder and Water Dispenser has impressed me with its functionality, convenience, and thoughtful design. It simplifies pet care, saves time, and allows me to stay connected with my furry friends even when I'm not at home. If you're a pet owner looking for a reliable and innovative solution for feeding and watering your pets, I highly recommend giving Pet Marvel a try. Your pets will thank you, and you'll have more quality time to spend with them. That's it for this review, folks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and give your pets some extra love.